What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. OnePlus launched its first pair of TWS earbuds alongside the T series of flagship smartphones in July 2020. Now the OEM has confirmed that their next generation will debut when the 8T launches on October 14, 2020. They are to have the IP55 ingress protection rating and are rumored to cost less than their predecessors. Recently, an image of a neon TWS earbud-like outline in an artsy, watery reflection has been making the rounds in unsubstantiated leaks online. Now OnePlus has laid claim to this content, posting it as a new teaser for its upcoming October 2020 launch event. The OEM has also let slip that it is for new IP55 rated buds, thereby setting their identity as successor to its first generation TWS earbuds in stone. Based on the new marketing material, both products are of the AirPods clone variety. In addition, the newer models may also be reminiscent of the Oppo Enco W51 buds. Those products are IP54 rated themselves, however, they also have wireless charging as a spec. Therefore, the new OnePlus buds may not be completely based on those existing accessories, as they are also projected to be cheaper than their first generation. However, this will be determined when they take the virtual stage alongside the 8T smartphones. A Chinese tech blog has posted what it claims as renders of an upcoming monitor from the OEM Huawei. It shows that this apparent 23.8-inch model is to have an IPS display with the three-side near borderless design. The device may also have a rear panel finished in matte grey. A few earlier rumors have indicated that Huawei may be planning to break into the PC monitor market soon. A new leak published by IT Home may lend more weight to this idea. An image of the putative Huawei display's other side shows it is made of an unspecified dark grey material in a restrained style with the OEM's logo located centrally above its fairly standard looking stand. There seem to be only 3 ports, a possible HDMI port, a USB port that might be Type-C, and another that could be a display port. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.